So I'm just a regular guy, right? I pull into the drive-thru to order some chicken nuggets. Nothing weird. Suddenly, the speaker crackles and someone whispers, "The ducks have breached the perimeter." I'm like, "What?" Then bam! A horse in a hoodie gallops past my car carrying a waffle iron and screaming, "The crayons are melting, Jerry!" I roll down the window and the worker hands me a single sock filled with mashed potatoes. I go, "I asked for nuggets." She stares into my soul and whispers, "You ordered destiny." Suddenly, my GPS reroutes me to the cheese dimension. My steering wheel turns into a live possum named Gary who keeps yelling, "Turn left or I eat your credit score." A blimp flies overhead, blasting polka remixes of aggressive whale sounds. Meanwhile, a parade of plumbers in banana suits crosses the street, screaming, "We're late for the invisible circus." At this point, my radio turns on by itself and just says, "You ever scream into a jar of peanut butter? Try it." I blink and now my car is in the middle of a football game. The referee points at me and yells, "5-yard penalty for existing in a dream with Crocs on." The crowd starts chanting, "Bagel! Bagel! Bagel! Get that man some juice!" A grandma on a skateboard rides past and smacks me with a churro. She screams, "I fought in the Cheetah Wars!" Suddenly, the sky opens up and a massive goldfish in a tuxedo floats down and says, "You have one question. Why is your name Kevin if your name isn't Kevin?" Then my car honks by itself and transforms into a couch. A guy with a beard made of bees sits next to me and says, "I'm your Uber driver." We're headed to confusion. So yeah, I started the day wanting nuggets. Now I'm emotionally married to a frisbee and legally banned from 3 alternate dimensions. Like, comment, blorp if you have no clue what just happened. Subscribe before Gary comes back with the Possum Council.